Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Donte Divincenzo replacement turns heads for Knicks in first preseason game of the year. The New York Knicks defeated the Charlotte Hornets 111-109 in their first NBA preseason game of the year in Charlotte on Sunday. The game marked the Knicks' first of any kind since the trade of fan favorites Julius Randle and Donte Divincenzo for Karl-Anthony Towns, who is expected to take over the team's starting center position. New York has now brought in two potential all-star players in Mikal Bridges and Towns, giving them an opportunity to make a run at the Boston Celtics Eastern Conference championship. On Sunday, the Knicks were led in scoring by an unlikely player, Miles McBride, the 6'1" point guard currently listed on depth chart prognostications as the team's primary backup, which would put him in position to fill in for the departing Divincenzo. McBride scored 22 points and added 3 assists in 25 minutes for Coach Tom Thibodeaus' team versus Charlotte, doubling last season's scoring average. The 24-year-old former Oklahoma City Thunder second-round pick out of West Virginia showed a highlight package worthy of Knicks star Jalen Brunson, with an array of mid-range shots, three-pointers and finishes at the rim. The Knicks have 15 days to prepare for the team's season opener in Boston against the defending champs. With Bridges, 4 points on Sunday, still finding his place in Coach Thibodeaus' system, McBride will be a player to watch this fall and beyond in the Big Apple.